Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can change the password of your Zoe Dating app. So first of all, open the app and make sure you are already logged into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged into mine. Now to change the password of your account, on the upper part of the screen you will see several icons. Tap on the profile icon, and here once this page opens up, you will see a gear like icon right beside your profile picture. Tap on it. Now scroll down, and then under the settings heading you will see your option with account. Tap on it. Now tap on the change password option. Now here type your old password in the first box and then your new password in the second box, and then tap on save, and that's how you can change the password on your Zoe Dating app. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.